ever dreamt of being a YouTuber? Not just a YouTuber, a star YouTuber. It might feel easy for some and for others it might not be easy, but to achieve success, you need to take the first step and begin from an initial point. Wanna learn how you can build your own YouTube empire? So gather around your device screen because you're watching Tech Zeel. My name is Himanshu and let's do it. Guys, before starting up with your YouTube channel, you need to ask yourself some basic questions. Why you want to start your channel? Why you want to be a YouTuber? And for whom you are going to create the content, and why those people should watch your videos, your content instead of any other person. And trust me, if you have answers for these 4 questions, you will never ever going to stop. Even if hard times come, even if something hinders you in your path, these 4 answers will give you the light towards your path. So make sure you have subscribed to our channel and turned on the notification bell, and let's start with the video. Chapter 1. Create your YouTube channel. So first thing first, let's create your YouTube channel. If you don't have one, let's create your YouTube channel. You need a Google account, a Gmail account to create your channel. I would suggest you to create a separate Gmail account to make things more professional and easy and quick. After creating your channel, go to www.youtube.com and sign up from the top right corner. Go to the profile icon, click on it, and now here you can see create a channel option. Click there. Choose a catchy, easy name that resonates with your personality or with your content. This name will be your brand identity on YouTube. So take your time. If you need help in brainstorming a name, check out the AI tools, chat assistants like ChatGPT, Gemini, or even Meta AI, and you can go for Gravity. I'll provide the link in the description box for it. Next, create a profile picture. Again, it should resonate your personality or your content. It could be a logo, a professional headshot, or something that visually tells viewers what your channel is about at the glance. You can use Canva to create your logo, or ideogram can be an option. Just sign up and add a prompt to generate your desired logo. Now, update your profile picture and click on Get Started. And you have successfully created your YouTube channel, but it's not complete yet. Chapter 2. Customize the channel. Now let's customize your channel. Let's make it visually appealing and more informative. A well-structured channel page can make a big difference in the attracting and retaining viewers. Start with compiling the channel description. Tap on Customize Channel and click on Basic Info. Write about your channel, your content, or anything like you'll be posting videos every weekend, and you can generate the same thing using AI tools. Creating a description, creating a bio is just like telling your potential subscribers that what they can expect from you and your channel. Be clear, concise, and engaging while making the description. Do not forget to attach the links of your social media profiles. This makes it easy for viewers to connect with you outside the YouTube and helps building a community around your channel. Add up your email address and go to the top right corner and click on Publish. Now, we also need to create a banner for our YouTube. So you can again go for Canva here. Click the link below to access the Canva. Here you can search for YouTube banners, and there are so many categories. You can specifically choose your category, like you are searching for something related to food or travel or anything that signifies you. Customize a banner that reflects your channel's theme and personality. A visually appealing banner can leave a lasting impression on your viewers and encourage them to explore your content further. Go for the branding option and upload your banner there, and again click on Publish. Chapter 3. Create your first video. Now it's time to create your first video. Planning is the key here. What do you want to share with your audience? Need ideas for your niche? Now, here we have 2 types of ideologies, or I'll say approaches, to target your audience or to create a kind of video. The first one, the personality-based approach. In this kind of video, we have an aura of our own self, or I'll say our own personality in our content. Most of the entertainers or most of the vloggers does the same thing, like PewDiePie, like Logan Paul. And then comes the second kind of approach, the creation-based, the creators approach. In this kind of approach, people are here to watch your content, not you. They are here to watch your idea, your context you are speaking about, you are telling about, your focuses on delivering valuable information or insights. Viewers subscribe for the knowledge and expertise you offer on specific topics, whether it's tech reviews, social issues, or detailed analysis, like Marcus Brownie or Dhruv Rathi. However, successful YouTube channels blends both of the approaches in one, leveraging personality to engage while delivering informative content. Whether you are entertaining, educating, or both, consistency and authenticity are the key to build a loyal audience for you. But it's your idea and your choice what kind of approach you want to use while making your content, so that the sky will be the limit. Now you have created your channel, you have its name, you have its banner, and you probably know what your niche is. Next step is choosing topics. If you are going for trending topics, you can use Google Trends, or you can use Twitter hashtags, or you can use social media viral things, or Pinterest, or even you can keep an eye on those people who are making same content like yours and in the same niche, so that you cannot miss out anything that's trending or that's valuable for your content, for your channel, and for your audience. Now you have a topic too. Time to get it written down in a script format that will be really helpful for you, so that it will guide you through your video. A clear script keeps you on track and ensures you to cover. You can use AI chatbots to create your script, or even create a reference, and then you can adapt things from there to help you draft your script efficiently. Now it's time to shoot your content. But I've seen many saying that we don't have enough resources, or we don't have a good gear to shoot the perfect video. But it's not necessary, it's not important to have an expensive gear, an expensive camera, or an expensive studio setup. You can just go for your smartphone camera. Your smartphone camera can produce high quality videos. However, for better audio and stability, I'll consider you to invest in a tripod, not too costly, and a microphone. I've included links of some microphones and some tripods down below in the description box. You can check them if you are a beginner. After completing the process of shooting, the video comes for the post-production, the editing work. Now here, if you know editing, it's good, but if you don't, you can learn editing online from many sources, and YouTube have a tutorial of every possible editing you want to do in your phone or in your PC. Just add up some good transitions where required, then some copyright-free music in it, and make it visually more appealing. Chapter 4. Publishing the video. Let's get your video out for the world. Go back to your YouTube channel, click on Create. Now upload or drag and drop your video there. When adding your video, pay attention to details like the title. Use keywords to attract viewers. Like if you're doing a movie review, and let's choose something like from the MCU, like we are doing Deadpool and Wolverine movie reviews, so the title must be like something related to the movie and honest review. So I'll put it like Deadpool and Wolverine honest review with no spoiler alert. Then we can add a catchy line like, can they save the MCU? And if after all this some space has left, you can add the names of the characters or the actors like Ryan Reynolds or Hugh Jackman. Then write a descriptive and engaging video description. This is your opportunity to provide more context about your video, include relevant keywords for SEO, and add links to resources or products mentioned in your video as I am providing in the video. Tags and selection the right category are also crucial for helping your video get discovered by the right audience to gain more views. Once everything looks great, just update the thumbnail. To update your thumbnail, YouTube might provide you some thumbnails from your video only, but to update the thumbnail, you need to verify your mobile number so that you can put on a customized or self-made thumbnail, as many of the YouTubers, or I'll say all of the YouTubers, do in their video. You can create your own using Canva and adding your picture if you are showing yourself in the video to create a face value of yours. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting click-through rates, as those are the first impressions on any viewer scrolling down on YouTube. Click on next, add things you have like subtitles or end screen tags, and then ultimately go for make the video public option and click on publish. So you've completed the process and published your first video on your channels. Kudos guys. But what next? I'll tell you. Chapter 5. Check performance of your channel. Now let's see how your channel is performing. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into your audience, behavior, video performance, and growth trends. Take a look at the metrics like views, watch time, and subscriber growth over the past 28 days. Understand what's working well and where you can improve. Now, consistency and content quality is the main key in the game to gain those likes, those views, those impressions, and those comments you wanted. And then, if you want to earn from YouTube, then you can go for YouTube's partner plan option, where you need to complete the count of 1000 subscribers at least with 4000 hours of total watch time in past 12 months or 10 million views on your shorts from past 90 days. If you have ticked on the eligibility criteria, then my friend, you are ready to earn from YouTube. You can earn in various ways from YouTube like pager ads, providing channel membership, super chats, shoppings, and further you can go for Google AdSense for earnings. Remember guys, you should always be aware about the YouTube guidelines that are keep on changing and updating. So if you want to know what are the actual guidelines, not going here, not going there, this person says that, that person says this and all, then I have provided the link of the actual YouTube guidelines provided by YouTube's officials. Just go through them thoroughly. And that's how you have learned how you can create your own YouTube channel from the very beginning. And that's all in this video. If you find this video useful and informative, just give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment down your thoughts below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And I'll meet you super soon in the next one. Keep watching Tech Zeel.